Hello everyone, I'm Anamul. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Ubuntu Server 21.4 in VMware Workstation, and I will show you how to install MobaXterm, which is a remote login tool. We will use this tool to log in our server through the SSH. So let's do it together. First, you have to download it from the Ubuntu official website. Okay, you can download from this link. I will share in my video this link. After come here, you will see this option 2 manual server installation. You can select this, and after clicking this button, we'll see download Ubuntu Server 21.4. You can download from here. Well, and this server installation requirement. Okay, recommends 2 gigahertz dual core processor minimum, 4 GB RAM system memory, 25 GB storage, 8 GB for minimal. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, I have already downloaded it on my PC. I will install from here, and first I have to open my VMware workstation. Okay, now create a new machine, virtual machine, which is I already share my previous video VMware workstation installation. Well, select table, and then here select the ways from this path. After download this ISO file, you will collect from anywhere. If you download it, download interface, or you can download it in your directory or drive. Okay, here is the Ubuntu server 21.04. So I'm opening it and click next, and now I'm here writing the server name Ubuntu Lab, as we will test a lot of things. We will install and practice uh, any command here. We will learn together. Well, this server will virtual machine will create on this directory. Do you want to change the directory? You can. Well, my directory documents virtual machine Ubuntu Lab. It will create this name on this path. Well, next, then we have to we can increase storage. So there is we can increase 25, as they mentioned 25. So store virtual disk as a single file will be great. Well, it will create a single file that would be helpful to transfer or helpful to move any system, as the file will create a single. If you have if it create a multiple file, that you have to zip file. So no need to multiple select. So I'm here store virtual disk as a single file. It's a good. Okay, this is the main important part. You can change hardware um, configuration and other things. So customize the. Okay, here is a 1 GB memory. Increase this memory 2048, that means 2 GB. And should check network. Okay, Select bridge connection. If you select this interface, then this system will collect the base machine IP series. Then you can connect it globally, and you can use internet. Okay, so that would be great for us. Okay, close and finish. Well, our virtual machine also ready, and Ubuntu server installation ongoing. Enter Ubuntu server. Okay, it's already selected. Okay, okay. Control Z to click the this interface. Okay, it's going installation. It will take some time. Well, in this time, I'm here to discuss about the Ubuntu server. Ubuntu server actually does not include the graphical installation program, so we will not see here graphical environment. We'll see it's a black screen, so it's very interesting. We'll work only using command. Well, it's installing on process. Okay, well, we have to select language. It's by default English. We can select English. Okay, English. Okay, here is the uh, repository release. You can read the release note for each version. Okay, no problem. I can here, as you can see below, wait, Ctrl Alt then mouse will work continue without updating. Okay, if you wanted to update, you can select this option, or you can select if you not want to update at this moment. You can select. Okay, enter and then done. Here is a keyboard mapping option, layout English US. Well, by default uh, it's ready. Then here is IP, and interface name is ENS3T Ethernet, and already it has collect the IP from my base machine, which is a series of my base machine IP. So okay, it's good to go. Okay, then I have to press Ctrl Alt to mouse move and done. Okay, it's Ctrl Alt. Then here is a proxy address. No need proxy address, and at this moment, and okay. Okay, mirror address. That means it's a repository of Ubuntu of Bangladesh, which is automatically your regional uh, repository has select automatically, which is good. Now again Control Alt, then scroll down and done. And then which inverter has its okay. You have to click on the black screen, then done will active. Okay, here is the partition. Use an enter disk. Yes, of course we will use enter disk. Dev SDA. This is the disk name, virtual disk name. Okay, local disk 25 GB, which is we was select. Okay, set up this and LVM group. Of course, if we add a new drive, then it will work easily. Okay, custom storage no need, as now we are installing practice purpose. So here done, here select tab. After clicking tab, you will get the option and it will select and press enter, and then your automatic partition showing on this interface. Ubuntu new album volume group 23.996 GB. Okay, partition 1 BIOS and LVM group. Well, everything are okay, good to okay, good to go, done. And select below. Are you sure want to continue? Yeah, of course. And then you should write here username and password. Okay, we will here write a username Ubuntu. Okay, password. You can use any password. Okay, here is the name. Okay, Ubuntu. Just pressing tab, you will move out here. Okay, Ubuntu, and then you can enter here server name. That means which is a host name. Okay, we can write here server 1. Okay, Ubuntu server. Lab. Just test purpose here write this name. Okay, and then Ctrl Alt and scroll down and select done, and it will work after clicking the black skin. And okay, selected, done. Enter and allow password authentication over SSH. Okay, when we use the SSH login using when you want to remotely log in, then here ask you allow password authentication over SSH. Of course, if you remotely want to log in, uh, it will ask you to allow ask you password for okay, which is okay. uh, so press Ctrl Alt to see the what is the mention here. Okay, here is the these are popular snap in server environment. Select deselect with page, press enter. So more see more details, packages, publish and version available. Here is a huge popular packages which is If you want to install, you can select from here. If you want to select it, you can press here and space. If you press space, then it will install during this installation. Okay, but we will not install here at this moment, so I'm not select it, and I am going to uh, continue, go forward, just click again and Ctrl Alt then scroll down and select done, and then we press tab to come in this okay, done. Okay, it's installing. Okay, well, I'm sorry for the interrupt. Okay, it's installing kernel of Ubuntu, so it will take some time. I'm here to now I'm going to pause until stop it. Okay, press and okay, done it. Okay, so now click here and tab, press tab to reboot now. Installation done. Okay, it's rebooting. Okay, it's rebooting now. At this moment, we will should install MobaXterm, which is remote tools to remotely logging. Okay, soft tools, and this is the MobaXterm. Okay, I'm extracting here. Okay, stop. I'll share the link, download link of MobaXterm, which is a very popular and very easiest remote login tools. And here is a huge protocol to log in, and SSH, RDP, BNC, HTTP, FTP, SFTP, all these things here. Okay, it will install C directory, install. Okay, finish. Okay, done. As well as check, please remove installation room medium, then press enter. Okay, enter. It's going to off. Everything are okay, that's fine. Okay, Ubuntu server lab login. Okay, now it's ready to login, check data source, then enter. Okay, I'm pressing Ctrl L to clear all the things, but it will not work here. And now press C and Ctrl C, done. Okay. Okay. Password. No need password too. username Ubuntu, password. Okay, done. Control L, clear screen. Okay, now I'm going to show IP. Okay, here is the IP address 192.168.43.70. Okay, it's automatically grabbed the IP from my business machine. Okay, now it's time to go MobaXterm. MobaXterm installation done, and we are going to log in MobaXterm using SSH. Sorry, this what is the IP was okay. 4370. Okay, 4370. Okay, 192.168.4370. And then spacebar and select Ubuntu username Ubuntu. Ubuntu. Then OK, and you will create your password from OK. Start allowing SSH login. Okay. So what should we do? We can install SSH. Then need to allow to login again. Okay. First I need to update sudo apt update password. Okay, working. Okay, it's updating all repositories and packages. Okay, and now I'm going to install SSH to log in remotely. So what should I do? Sudo apt install SSH. Okay, it's installing. Press Y. Do you want to continue? I want to continue. Okay. After installing it, I hope I can log in here easily. As we try to log in using SSH. Okay, installation done. Then sudo system ctl status SSH. Okay, it's good to go. Active running. Some try to log in using. Yes, it's working. Password. Okay, done. So this is the way to log in using SSH. Also, here is a huge functionality. You can use it very easily. It's kind of fruity and WinSCP and others remote logging tools. Okay, here is SSH, Telnet, Research, AFTP, SFTP, all those things here. So you can use what you require, and also here AWS S3, WSL, all those things here. Okay, so our installation done, Ubuntu installation done, and MobaXterm installation done. I'll share the MobaXterm link in my video, so you can check from there, and you can download it and install it, and you can use that software, and you can use these tools. You can use your you can log in on your cloud server and other things remote any other server. Okay, thank you very much for today. I'll share next video. There I will share the uh, Linux basic part, and step by step we'll go forward. A lot of things we'll learn together. Thank you very much, everyone.